Okay, what I'm going to do here is turn the headlights on. That's going to show that the tail lights are working. I have the C there, as you can see. And on the right one, I have the C there. Everything's working. Now we're going to do the left turn signal. What you're going to see here is that the inner lights flash for the turn signals and the outer lights pretty much stay solid for the tail light, which is what I'm guessing is that's the tail light. Has a little bit of a flicker, but they do stay on. On this side, I still have my tail light. Now we're going to go and we're going to turn on the right turn signal. See, I got my C back, no signal. And on this side, you're going to see that the outer ring does not stay on solid anymore. That the whole light flashes for the right turn signal. And that there is no tail lights on, basically. The lights are shutting off. You see that all my other lights work properly. So this light is supposed to be on the left side. What I did was I took the lights and I just swapped them back over to the other side so that I could verify that the problem is in the light and not in the truck